It's a day for the charity. I want to just share with you our commitment to continue doing more with our charities and the Chopper Foundation for the betterment of the children and also the education programs that we are committed to. So thank you everyone. We really appreciate you coming out and supporting us.
John Green, who came all the way from Chicago, Illinois. Big Jigga to us. This man has been coming to play Polar Jigga for 25 years, and the tradition continues. One last.
I won't say too much, John and Mark said it all, but thank you everybody in the name of charity. Shauna, where are you? We are committed to do this every year, right? It becomes part of the social calendar, so we can send more kids to school. Thank you very much. It's going to be a great thing.